Step number 7 in leading with empathy is motivating and inspiring. This means that the court is busy, the prosecutor, the judge, they have a lot of work to do. And it's unfortunate that the majority of cases don't get the attention they deserve. It's our role to create a vision behind your case, to bring other parties into your story and what makes your case unique. We need to create that vision of where you're going in the future and motivate the parties in the case to come along with us. It's easy to view your case as a troublemaker, someone that needs to be punished, and someone that we place on an assembly line step by step, finish the case, bring on a new case. This is not fair to you because this case is going to impact your life and it's going to create many changes. It's our goal to make those positive changes. We're seeking the collective good of society, and part of that means you understanding how we ended up here and going forward, how we can avoid future situations, but also how to build and grow off of this moment and become a stronger and more insightful person.